How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profit with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all, the first steps I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So here we have give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the image as t-shirts design. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any shirts. I will show you. So of course, ChatGPT is going to provide us with these prompts that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. So let's choose in someone here. Let's choose in the last one here and copy it. And paste it on Runway, as you can see. But firstly, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you will find your account here. Then you can start creating the images from the prompt. So all you have to do is click over image creation here and then you can just paste your description here and then you can select here automatic or on promptiness. Then we have presets. Also you can choose Leonardo phonics or other things. Then we have your preset style, also contrast, generation mode, faster quality. Then we have image dimensions. You can choose the one you want. Then small, medium or large. Then we have number of images, also 1 2 3 4, or the max it's 8. Then we have private mode. You can just switch on or you can switch off. Then you click over generate, then you get what you want. So you have got these credits, all right, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be a free. As you can see here, I have got 127 of these credits and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them to. So here is my thing, here is my graffiti, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see the words right, let me tell you right off the bat, any kind of image generation tool it's bad with words. Don't try to write something on the screen with AI image generators, just don't. But like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirts design. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. So you can get started. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there and they just get these pictures and they just draw over those to the t-shirts to make to cap whatever they want and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come in. We make this with ChatGPT or Leonard or Runway, as you can see. So why Runway? Runway can make you 100 of this path. The downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started here, If I click on get started here and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this whenever you get some cash for reinvesting. And if you click here on get credits, you can see that 100 is going to cost you $10. So you can just use this one. Leonardo.ea is free, and use ChatGPT, then you get started and sell your product or your prompts on Etsy or Fiverr or other sites. So one of the most effective ways to earn money with using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to businesses and individuals. You can create tailored prompts that help automate tasks like content creation, customer support, and marketing, copy generation. Additionally, you can compile pre-made prompt libraries for specific niches such as social media content or email automation and sell them online for passive income. Another lucrative option is to use ChatGPT to generate AI-powered content such as a blog post, product descriptions, or ad copy, and offer the services on freelancing platforms on or your own website. By harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. So to make money using ChatGPT, your prompts start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks, such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to business, sell prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works with prompting using ChatGPT and also Leonardo.ea. You can also use Runaway here and get started with also Etsy and start selling these products. And that's it, how it works with those websites. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.